We're going to be using a bus tub. Toss all of the cabbage, our salt, and we're going to sprinkle it in. And what the massaging does is it actually opens up the pores of the cabbage and makes sure the salt gets in there. Mixing this until it becomes kind of a thick paste. We're gonna make a puree, and it's a very simple process. We're gonna need a food processor, ginger in there, 9 cloves of garlic, 1/3 teaspoon of sugar. Our onion is gonna go in, other third of vegetable stock. The rice flour and the vegetable stock mixture, we're gonna be adding that in. Our chili flakes into our mixture. We're going to be needing, of course, our peeler. Now it's super important we peel all of our ingredients because the peels do carry bacteria that can actually make your kimchi go bad. So we're going to be careful of our fingers. Daikon, give it a good peel. Do our internal garnish of green onions, making sure our fingers are nice and tucked. All right, this next part is going to be super important. We're going to get some gloves on because, again, we don't want to introduce any unnecessary bacteria. Take a lot of this salt out because this is going to be super salty at this time. So we're going to throw it in some cold water, and then we're going to give it a quick squeeze. Here we have our internal garnish that we chopped up, grated up, made it all happy. We're going to add this into our cabbage that has been drained and washed. Beautiful. Next, we're going to add in our paste. You kind of see the iconic red color of kimchi. Looks good. Let's stuff our kimchi into the funnel. We're gonna see how it is. That is amazing. That's really good. It was quick, it was easy, you have it done in one day, so if you ever want to make kimchi, this is definitely the recipe you should try.